Hello viewers, today I want us to look at equivalent ratios, and when we are dealing with the introduction of ratios, we see that a ratio can be a fraction, it can be a number that is given in a different form. So here we are looking at ratios and we consider the order. The order matters. And when we are dealing with the ratios, we use multiplication or division. Here is our first example. We are given 8 to 12. Now, we have said that we can either multiply or divide to get the numbers that are equivalent, the ratios that are equivalent to this one. We can take an example. If we choose to multiply this number times 3 and this one times 3, so we will get 24 to 36. These are equivalent ratios, 8 to 12 and 24 to 36. But in most cases, we want to find the ratio that is in the simplest form. The simplest form also is important. So now here we'll get the numbers that are, we have 8 to 12. So you get the number that can divide both numbers 8 and 12. You can think of 2 can divide, you can think of 4, but the common number must be at least the greatest. So we'll use 4. So this is 8 to 12. So if we divide 8 divided by 4, we will get 2. And then 12 divided by 4, we'll get 3. So this means that 8 to 12 is equivalent to 2 to 3. These are now equivalent ratios. So let's take another example. We have 27 to 18. Now, we have said we can multiply or divide, but the major thing we are doing here, if we are going to get the equivalent ratios, is to divide to get the simplest form. So we look at 27 and 18 and find the number that we can divide with to get divide on between both the numbers. So we can think of 9 or 3, but we said we will take the greatest common number or factor of 27 and 18. Now we will use 9. So 27 divided by 9 is 3, and then 18 divided by 9 is 2. So we will say that 27 to 18 is equivalent to 3 to 2. The order matters. Order matters here. If you write 27 to 18 is equal or equivalent to 2 to 3, that's a different thing. So consider the order here. See you in the next videos. Like and subscribe so that we can get to spread these lessons to so many others that need them.